Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Wish I Had Known video. Today we're talking about the Nationwide Service Network. We get this call all the time. Customers calling us saying, man, I wish I'd have known about your Nationwide Service Network. You know, I was out in Arizona, I was in Wyoming, I was in Montana, I was in Florida, wherever it is, right? Wherever you call home, wherever you travel to, wherever you camp. But they were on a trip, they had a problem, called their local dealer, and the dealer said, hey, no problem, as soon as you get back home, bring it in, we'll get it repaired for you. Problem is, now their trip's ruined, right? Can you camp without air conditioning in the summer? Can you camp if your slide floor is starting to fail? Can you camp if your roof's leaking? Things like that. Things that make it hard to stay out on the road. Things that make it almost impossible to keep camping. When you buy from us, we have people all over the United States that can fix those issues for you and let you keep camping. If you have questions about it, give us a call at 877-877-4494. Check out our website, rvwholesalers.com, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page.